Hello, today I'm very excited to review this sample dress provided by Sarin Mathews. It's a cocktail dress color blue or royal blue. So my size is size medium. This is how it looks. It's asymmetrical because the back is longer than the front. Also here it has a zipper that you can barely tell is there to help you put on and take off the dress. As you can see, it's off the shoulder and it has a round neck. It matches, you can match it with your favorite jewelry. I just did. It's very comfortable. Just it's going to feel through it feels through the size. I'm a size medium, and here in here it's a little bit tight, but here it's super loose and comfortable. You can match it with your favorite sandals, shoes, and use it for birthdays, weddings, cocktails, and have fun with it. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.